it's Alex here, back with another tutorial on the why did I say battleship? Aircraft carrier. Derp. So, if you don't remember last time, go and check out the part 1 tutorial. I'm going to be starting this one a bit, this one is going to be a bit different from last time. It's going to be this is a different thing. And sometimes I'm going to be doing like tutorials, like house tutorials and all that. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and let's get to it. Alright, so first off, here, we're going to want to go down from here, the first block. Go down 1, 2, 3, and 4. It will overhang. So you want the overhang. Then here we're just gonna, what the heck? Just gonna do that. And then practically we're gonna start the same process. So you're gonna wanna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I know probably some of you guys that are doing this are sick and tired of going 8. Well, I can't help it. It's how I designed it. And I will be putting planes on the plane. Why did I say planes on the plane? What the balls? I meant to say planes on the aircraft carrier. Derp. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think Mom already knows, Gabby.
I wasn't paying attention.
6,
well, Alex said
7.
I'm going to put planes on the plane.
I don't know what is going on in my head today. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What? Well, we kinda are, Gabby.
We're not. We live in a city.
It's not a city. It's a neighborhood.
It's a township, which is a city.
Mini city.
It's a smaller city, but it's still over 100,000 people in New Orleans.
Yeah, and then
No, it's not as big as New Orleans. Or
exactly.
Houston, but we're still a city now. We're not a town anymore. We're not a little.
Yeah. So whenever you do this, when on the second one, you want to see these little overhangs here. Build in between them like this, and it build out 1. So it's a 2 by 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is kind of how it's going to be going for a while. And so another 32? Yeah, another 32. 2, 3. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. And then we're going to go back 32.
Oh yeah, Alex. Yesterday you asked, are you watching Happy Tree?
Oh, don't watch it. It's so bloody. It gets so bloody. And then you're going to want to do that same thing on the out. Oh, I forgot to place a block.
Okay.
And you want to do
Why
the.
did you ask me if I was watching?
Because it sounded like it. Oh my
I
gosh.
was laughing.
That didn't sound like your laugh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, 12. Wait. I messed up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 12. I didn't mess up. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, and 32. Now start the long thing back. Oh, and I just remembered, I haven't done the dropper part too. Huh.
How long ago did you do the part 1?
I don't know, like a month.
Yeah, it's not really good.
I'm not really. And so here, we're going to want to build in between here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then build out again and then we're going to want to build these up one more. Like I said, if this is the first time watching my channel, go look at my other videos. We have some really funny ones. And I'd probably say one of the most funniest ones is actually epic ramp jumps that me and Andrew did way back. And I'd say that's actually the funniest video that we actually put out. Because last time we watched, oh my gosh, it was so funny. Okay, so now we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. You're going to want to do that on both sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So after you do that, we're going to continue on with the 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, whoa. Okay, hold your horses. That one's not supposed to be. Okay, I got so confuzzled. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And continue on. And then here, we're still going to do another one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I swore I heard the screaming sheep. Don't ask me why. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2. So that's how that's going to go. And then you're going to go back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And another 8.
No.
What? And so that's going to be all for this episode. Episode of the tutorial, and I will see all you dudes and Dragon Riders. I'll see you, Dragon Riders. Later. Peace. I love you guys so much. Alright guys, it's Alex here, and today it's another tutorial. Bet you that you guys are getting pissed off. Well, I'm trying to upload these every other day or every day, depending on what it is. So this is part 3 in the tutorial. And so I'm trying to get to do 1 layer each time, but sometimes I want to be able to get through 2, which means that it's going to be a longer video. So let's get started. So, here. Skip these again. Skip that one. Build 1, 2, 3, 4. And then build like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then here, we're going to build a 2 by 2 little block like this. And if you did miss the last episode, go and check it out in the Minecraft tutorials playlist. I'm going to be creating that, and I hope you like it. So this one's going to get a bit more complicated. We're also going to be needing a lighter stone. Yep, I said that right. We're going to need, that's not light, polished dorite too. So we're going to need stone and polished dorite. Is that, yeah. So we're going to start out with another 8.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, and then build that out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, if you want to see what it looks like from the front right now, it looks like an actual ship right now. So 1, 2, what the balls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8. Well, I just had a mental brain fart. And then from there, another 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoa, bit of lag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then in here, we're going to do another 2 by 4 on these 2 little overhangs here. Going to build another 2 by 4. Hold on, guys. I'll be back. Okay, guys. Sorry about that. Had to feed the piggies. Oh, yeah. They're so cute. I just realized I haven't done a video on the pigs in forever. Huh. Okay, so we're gonna go out another 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. What? 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 Oh, that was interesting. So, from here, we're going to go out another 32. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, and 32. So, and then we're going to build all the way back. As fast as I can. Left some holes in it. And then you're going to want to build out again for another 32. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 32. No. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Oh! Found our problem. This one was 31, not 32. 1, 2, 3. Scream. Scream all the way down. Woo! And then grab your polished diorite and build 2, and then connect in between. And then here, you're going to want to build all the way across this one and to the side of the hull. And same with this one. And then grab out your stone again and then build these up one. And if you notice, I'm actually building this on land. Because if I build this in water, it's going to be like 10 times harder. Because you have to get rid of all the water and all that. I didn't even notice it was night. And then so from the 32 edge, I'm going to build out 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. Then we're going to start up with the 8s again. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What the pouch? That's 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. What in the world music video are you watching? Okay, my sister's watching a really creepy music video. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. And, oh boy. Build this up. And then we're going for another 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I went a bit far on that one. And then here, just go 1, 2, 3, 4. And so that's going to be it for this part of the tutorial. And we're just going to get bigger and bigger and bigger. So hi! We'll see you guys in the next part of the video.